Windows offers several options for clearing temporary files on your PC. If you are unable to delete temporary files via the Settings app or File Explorer, try using the Disk Cleanup tool instead. Press Win+S to access the search menu. Type Disk Cleanup in the box and press Enter. Use the drop-down menu to select the drive from which you want to clear temporary files. Under Files to delete, use the checkboxes to select the files you want to remove. Wait for a few moments until the Disk Cleanup tool clears all the temporary files. If the Disk Cleanup utility fails to delete some or all of the temporary files on Windows, you can try using the command prompt instead. Don't worry, the process isn't as complex as it might sound. Right-click on the Start icon and select Terminal Admin from the list. Type the following command into the console and hit Enter. Windows saves all the downloaded update files in the Software Distribution folder before installing them. If a Windows system update gets stuck, the OS will not delete the temporary files associated with it. To fix this, you can try emptying the Software Distribution folder manually. Press Win+S to open the search menu. Type Services in the box and press Enter. In the Services window, locate the Windows Update service. Right-click on it and select Stop. Press Win+R to open the Run dialog box. Type the following path in the text field and hit Enter. In the File Explorer window, press Ctrl+A to select all the files and click the trash icon at the top to delete them. Return to the Services window, right-click on the Windows Update service, and select Start. By default, the Disk Cleanup utility does not delete temporary files that are less than 7 days old. This is because Windows marks these files as active. However, if you want to delete all the temporary files, regardless of their age, you can make changes to the Windows registry. Press Win+R to open the Run dialog box. Type Regedit in the box and press Enter. Use the left pane to navigate to HKE_local_machine, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Explorer, Volume Caches, and Temporary Files. In the right pane, double-click the last access key. Enter 0 in the value data field and click OK. Restart your PC after this and try to delete temporary files once again.